Hello guys, welcome back again to another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device Poco F4 GT. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the Play Store, like you are having any sign in problem or the login issue, or the Play Store is not downloading the apps, you can solve it by the method as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Play Store problem in your device. Let's watch it.